Guys, I just fixed my own car. God damn.
Maybe you're lucky and just somebody did a botch job there. After our first dyno day, we realized that the car is slightly misfiring.
Jack got my special permission to work on his car himself, as long as he does it himself, because we have a free spot for him today.
Checking my car if it's got leaking injectors or high pressure fuel pump problem.
I told him he wanted to install his suspension, and he actually has had engine problems with fuel mixing with the oil.
Fuel has been entering the engine bay.
You prefer to fix your suspension before you actually fix your engine? Bro, you're gonna wait until your engine dies, but you have a nice suspension. You're gonna go get to it right now because I don't want you to blow up your engine. Because you know, when fuel mixes with oil,
It dilutes the engine oil, which causes friction.
and then yeah, that's what he's doing right now. Checking his injectors because he thinks it's his injectors.
So now we are checking for leaks causing the problem.
Today we have another CLA45s, and it's another CL45s that had to be unlocked. So the car was with us for quite a while because we were waiting for the ECU to come back. ECU is back in, TCU is tuned. Literally the whole same setting as same as I had in Mauritius. Again, the car has TCU tune, ECU tune, Venturi intake, full Miltech exhaust. Everything we need for good power, RON 97. So today I'm willing to spend the extra hours to see where is perfect. When is it really perfect? And then let's see how much power it makes. Same shit, different day.
Number 2. Which is 1, huh? This is 1. This is 3. This is 1.
Yeah.
Should be fine, right? Should be fine, right? I'm putting back my injector... My injector sensors. Just now we tested them. There's no leak, so it's good. But we were just cleaning them with the supersonic. The boys are amazing teachers. I legit wouldn't be able to do this without them. There was a puddle inside.
Oh.
So it could be.
Yeah, but as you said, the rail wasn't fastened properly.
Yeah.
And then do it properly, then counter check. Maybe you're lucky and just somebody did a botch job there. So, after our first dyno day, we realized that the car is slightly misfiring. Even during idle and cold start, this is very obvious. And then saw that cylinder number 2 is giving us issues. So, of course, we took the car off dyno and looked into it. Now let's take a look at this M139 engine. The M139, for all of you who don't know, is the strongest production series 2-liter engine in the world. 421 brake horsepowers from just 2 liters and 4 cylinders. So in order to feed 420 horses, you need 8 injectors, 4 of which are on top and 4 of which are down here. These are the MPI injectors, low pressure. You see here, this different type of injector. This is the high pressure one, and this is the low pressure injector. In this case, the high pressure fuel injectors were all fine, and the low pressure ones were all haywire, right? So we are replacing all 4 of those, and then the car will be back to normal, and then we can continue our tuning spree. The high pressure injectors, they were tested and they were fine. So these are the MPIs because the M139 engine has 8 injectors. Each cylinder, it has 2, one high pressure and one low pressure. So these are the low pressure injectors, and very obviously there's a discrepancy between all 4 of them. This one is a little less, this one is a little more, quite okay, but this one is a lot too much, and this one is a lot too little. So these 2 injectors definitely aren't good. Ideally all 4 have to be changed. freaking hate this car. I'm not making the power that I want to make. So it's like the boost is going up, peaking, and then slowly plummeting.
We're going for the test drive just to check if everything feels better. I guess it sounds better because it just sounds like it's not choking on not enough fuel much. So yeah, let's test.
Guys, I just fixed my own car, god damn.
Yeah, what I wanted to know is, every time you flash, do you spend time clearing the cores? Else it will not muscle dyno mode, is it?
Only the check engine.
Fuck the check engine. Just go ahead with it. When I tuned the car in Mauritius, I would just simply flash it and go. Flash it and go. Don't waste time.
The box will be inconsistent, no?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I want the power first.
Okay.
We're wasting time. Rear was 391 and 570 Newton meters. We are at 392 and 508 Newton meters. So we have to, it is realistic. So the question is, what is limiting our power? What is cutting our power? Because when we do these cars, normally we have the boost that goes up like this and stays flat. There you go. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, so many logs. Okay. Look at this. This is wonderful. You see this? This is power. What did I do differently here and what caused it to cut? This is the question.
Okay, so it's the end of the project, basically. We have just taken out the injectors and we put them back in because they're not leaking. The only thing that was leaking was actually the rail, which wasn't put on properly by my previous workshop. So we fixed it ourselves and I can't wait to fix more things at Project A.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Project A weather forecast for tomorrow. We have 480 horsepower with mild pops and banks. Sporadically, we'll have some Newton meters here. Okay, that's very bad. That's very bad. So, okay, anyway, 480 horsepower and a 600 Newton meters is where we're sitting at right now. Very, very decent result, given that stock it kind of underperformed. So it had 392 horsepower stock instead of 420, what Mercedes claims. So overall, this equals to a gain of 88 horsepower and 90 Newton meters all over stock. And I'm thinking this is pretty decent. We're actually also running, what are we running? 2.4 bar, which is not on the highest side, but quite decent, I might say. So this is where we're at right now. Do a little bit of finalization. And other than that, I think it's very smooth. The log looks great. Everything reads well. We have even a little better spool, a little better turbo response here. So overall, quite happy with where we're at right now. Tomorrow we'll finalize everything, and then finally we can deliver this car.